Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is my second video, and this match I went 66 kills and 22 deaths. And yeah, basically it. Well, I'm gonna talk to you guys at the end, so comment, rate, subscribe, you know, all those good stuff I like. Thanks and enjoy.
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to say, yeah, this one is my fail Moab. I'm kind of mad though. Like, I was going like 21 and 0, and I ran out of ammo. You'll see. I went behind those two cars, like in the right side of me. Yeah. See where I'm aiming? Yeah, I'm right on the left. Yeah, right on the left. I think I ran out. Yeah, I ran out of ammo, and after I die, you're gonna see me when I take out my noob tubers, or my XMAs. I forgot what you call it. Yeah. So you're gonna see. Yeah, this is part of my fail Moab. Yeah, see, I'm kind of new to this thing. I'm sorry. Well, I'll talk to you guys at the end. I'm sorry. And by the way, guys, can you comment and say if this camera is better or if I should switch back to the camera? Cause right now this is my iPhone. Okay, just comment and say if if the iPhone's nice or if I need to change it back to the old camera.
planted. Specialist bonus achieved. Delta has juggernaut. The bomb has been planted. The bomb has been planted. The bomb has been planted. Sleight of hand. Bomb defused. Blind eye. Cover me, reloading. Specialist bonus achieved. The bomb has been planted. UAV online. UAV online. Blind eye. Enemy EMP. Delta. Electronics are down. Bomb defused. Specialist bonus achieved. Assassin. Friendly has juggernaut. Friendly recon drone inbound. Assassin. Friendly predator missile inbound. Assassin. UAV online. Enemy UAV spotted. The bomb has been planted.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I think this is close to where it ends. I guess, because I'm not gonna get any more kills. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Wait, I might not end it. Hold on. I forgot. There's like a match that a while ago. Yeah, this is probably when I start dying. Y'all don't want to see that. So, this is the end of my commentary. Thanks for watching. Well, not really a commentary, but you know what I'm talking about. Thanks. Like, dislike, rate, subscribe, all them good stuff. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day, night, morning. You know what I'm talking about. Because it's Saturday night, afternoon. Anyway, bye.